Hi, welcome to Three Spoonsful by Shweta Mehra. And after that little bit of a break, I'm back with another recipe which is vegetarian seekh kebabs. Yes, these are absolutely vegetarian, completely veg, no egg, nothing. So let's see how to make them. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you could subscribe and do hit the bell icon for notifications so that every time I upload a new video, you can come here and see it. So let's get started with this recipe. So I have started off with boiled potatoes, 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes. If you have very large potatoes, you could just use a lesser quantity. I have boiled these and mashed these. You could also grate them. And to it, I'm going to add in a whole green capsicum, which is finely chopped. You could also add in different colored of bell peppers. That's absolutely okay if you would like more color. Then I'm adding in some grated carrots. Next, I'll go in with corn, which is boiled. Let's add in some coriander. Clearly, please take a larger bowl because you can see this bowl is quite small for this whole thing, but it did get mixed up. So now let's add in the dry masalas. I'm going to be listing the masalas right here and you can just see those. So let's add in all of these masalas into the mixture. I'm also adding a little bit of ginger garlic paste. And this is semolina or suji, that is rava. I'm going to add it in, and you could the quantity could vary because what happens is these vegetables tend to be very watery and they get very wet when you're actually mixing it up. So the semolina or the suji basically helps to absorb all of this extra water and doesn't make the mixture too runny. But if you think that you need a little more or a little less of it, you're free to do that. This is optional. You could add onions. I am adding very little, you can see. You could also add fried onions, the kind that we use for biryani, the bilishta kanda. But or you could even add spring onions with the greens. That tastes wonderful too. So now that this whole mixture is ready and it's all mixed up, I'm going to be keeping this tiny little piece of foil, and in it I'm going to add a piece of coal which was burning. Let's top it up with some ghee or clarified butter and then immediately shut the lid for this vessel that you're using and let the whole thing just smoke very nicely. This gives these kebabs that amazing feel of restaurant style or the extra oomph factor. And if you don't have a piece of coal, I have said this before in my previous videos, you could just take a little piece of cinnamon, burn it off and use it the same way. You don't need to rest this mixture for very long. I just kept it with the coal for hardly like 7 to 10 minutes. That's absolutely okay because these are vegetables. They'll start turning very soggy otherwise. You can use this kind of a skewer stick, or I'm also going to be showing the other way, which is without a skewer stick. Grease your palms and just start shaping the kebabs into kebabs like the seekh kebabs, I mean, which is like this, like a sausage actually. Sorry, vegetarians. So this is it. This is how you shape it. So the next one I'm going to make without the skewer stick, and I've just taken the same spoonful of the mixture and I'm rolling it on my palms, which are greased slightly. And here you go, they look absolutely the same, so it's not necessary that if you don't have skewer sticks, you can easily make them like this. These are a hit for kids as well. Kids love it because it's not too spicy. They taste very nice, and you could just add as many veggies for the kids into this and they will lap it right up. So now that our kebabs are all done, let's start frying them. You could put these in an air fryer or in an oven. If you're going to put it in the oven, make sure you brush them well with some butter or ghee or oil, anything. Same goes for the air fryer. I'm just going to be doing the easier thing and cooking them over normal flame gas. So this is it. It's so easy and they don't even take very long to make. The maximum time is boiling potatoes, I think. Yeah, that's it, which you could just easily do in the pressure cooker. This is great even for parties. You could serve them as a smaller bit-sized finger food kind of a thing. And if you want it to be even richer, you could add some paneer or some cheese to this. And see, the color is lovely. They look great. So that's it. These are ready and I have served them here with some green chutney and some onions. And don't forget to top it up with some chaat masala because that's what gives the flavor of that kebab, the flavor of the kebab. And I hope you like this recipe, and if you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to us. And do press the bell icon for notifications as well. And see you in the next recipe. Bye. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे चैनल को और सब्सक्राइब करने के साथ साथ बेल आइकन दबा दें ताकि आपको हर नया नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे और बाकी एंजॉय।